Though I've delayed my song and stayed away too long, now I have the heart and desire to recover the loss and the damage. For the beautiful one sets me on the path and tells me to show in singing the joy and the great worth she gave me, and the happiness the day she kept me kissing. Then I stood so long before her, hands joined with good heart, on my knees weeping, until she took me into her lordship. But at first she was wild to me, for I dared to brave so much. Then she saw my humble appearance and received my homage, for she knew me without deceit. Friend, when one wants to part from his lady, he acts very childishly, even if she doesn't want to welcome his words at the beginning. For love rushes and advances with honoring and with serving, and who wants to enjoy her, let him be of beautiful appearance and know how to love and suffer. My lady I love and desire so much that if someone put me in doubt, as much as one can choose, I wouldn't take it in agreement that ever my hopes should change or my desires alter. Nor do I want to become without her lord a friend. See now, if I want her to anger me. Many times it happens that I think so hard and worry that I don't hear who speaks with me, nor do I do anything but tremble and shiver. And I think that God wanted to place more than in any single thing the beauties that she has with her, and the noble speech and the sweet laughter with which she cheers me and keeps me. All have I, by my good faith, conquered that from which I'm rejoicing, and I beg my lady for mercy that her body from mine not turn. For her man and her servant I am and have been always, and still it rises and comes the love and the desires double, the more good she does me.